Truckers Garage, where we do stuff backwards. We're going to go over here to our work area, and we're going to take the tools and put them in the toolbox. So let's get that done. So let's get our tools in here. So all my stuff is in my toolbox. So I got an idea. This right here, I'm gonna take and put some another three shelves here and 3 shelves here. It's gonna be my odds and ends, and then I can put stuff right here on the side, and I'll still be able to roll it around and have all my stuff I need right here. So let's get that done. So these are the shelves that the little 3 little shelves. They're 6 shelves, but they're individual. Put one on one side and one on the other side. I might even paint them. Should I paint them? I'm thinking of painting them to match the dresser or toolbox. Like them here, so let's get these painted and screwed down to the toolbox. The way we got, this, we got odds and ends. So I might take one of these levels off because I think it sits too high. So yeah, let's take one of these levels off. let's get these painted now, since I like it like this. Sorry about that. Camera died on me. So I got one almost painted. So let me finish this real quick. Sorry I didn't get the video in there. But I'll get that finished painting, and then we'll turn it over and do the bottom side. So while those are drying, thinking about taking these drawers, going ahead and painting them too, but a different color. I might paint them like a light green. The way it stays somewhat in the general color. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get those painted. Go over and get those painted. I found something. I can set them up. They're up off the ground, but I can only do 2 at a time. So let's get these 2 done. And they go for the shelf with the smooth top. Don't want brown. I have to let these dry, and then I can put the other 2 up there. So all I gotta do is let these dry, get the other 2 up there, and that's still wet. But yeah, let them 2 dry, and then we'll get them slapped over there. They used to be on the dresser, so it's got shirts and stuff written on it. So we're going to try to get those covered up. Actually, I got an idea. let those dry, and we'll come back and install them into the toolbox. We'll put the 4 doors right here. So let's go get it. So I think our drawers are done and dried. So we're going to go ahead and get those and bring them over here and put them in. Now let's take a look at it. There's the new little shelves. They look awesome. So let's get that stuff into that. So now that we do that, let's get the stuff organized. All this is drill bit. It's going in there. So, we're going to lighters. See how easy it is to maneuver. Put that right here. So. Don't want to scratch my paint. So. We're going to bring this. It's working. Now that makes it a lot easier. So, yeah. And I can also have y'all stay right there when I'm doing my other stuff. And the camera's following me. Sorry. My ADHD was kicking in. But I don't know what to say now. Like, comment, subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Leave comments in the bottom. More videos coming at you.